here to report my three types of properties of nuclear radiation. One is alpha, then beta, and gamma ray. These are the representation of alpha, and the beta have a negative and positive charge, and the gamma ray representation. The alpha radiation, it consists of two protons and two neutrons, or the nucleus of helium atom. They carry a positive charge of positive 2 electrons. They are massive but slow moving, and their maximum speed is about 1% the speed of light. Alpha particles have very little penetrating power. They can penetrate no more than a few centimeters of air and are absorbed by thick paper. However, alpha rays are able to ionize a large number of atoms within a small area they were able to penetrate. The beta particle addition of negative and positive charge. A beta particle is emitted from the nucleus, a neutron becomes a proton, and vice versa. The beta particle carries a charge of positive and negative electrons. Beta particles travel a little less than at the speed of light, or 9 c. They can penetrate paper or several millimeters of skin and about 1 meter of millimeter of skin. Air. They are absorbed by aluminum or perspex a few millimeters thick. Their ionizing capacity than that of alpha radiation. Then the gamma ray photons. These are the representation. Gamma is formed a high energy electromagnetic radiation that travels the speed of light c. It has no electrical charge and has great penetrating power. Not even a thick piece of lead or concentrate will stop all of them, although their ionizing capacity is smaller than that of beta rays. And that's all. Thank you.